Well, what do we have here? Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of these toothbrushes. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. And as you can see, there is a cat on here. These toothbrushes technically are designed for cats, but I love little toothbrushes for really working on my dog's front teeth and their back teeth. And I feel like the small toothbrushes fit in their mouth better. Let me open these up and show you guys what we got. So in this package, you get 5 toothbrushes. 3 of them look like this, and 2 of them look like this, which these are really nice for back teeth and getting in between teeth. Yeah, is it a toothbrush? This is a toothbrush. But you can see here they have fairly soft bristles. See how they move? Can I brush your teeth? I don't have any toothpaste on it. Can I brush them? She's like, I guess I need to brush. Okay, let's try this one. Can I brush it with this one? I brush your teeth. She's like, maybe not. If your dogs or cats have never had their teeth brushed before, this is perfectly okay to let them kind of check it out and see what it is. My dogs have all had their teeth brushed before, so they pretty much know what all this stuff is. But I'm going to put some toothpaste on one of these and show you how we brush some teethers. I love this. This is nice. This is going to be great for back teeth and front teeth. I love how soft it is. Perfect. Okay, let's show you. All right, can I see? So Eleanor has had her teeth brushed before. You can see here she has a little chip on her tooth. But basically, the nice thing about these, I know. We're just going to take it easy, is you can take and kind of do the circle motion on their teeth, which is nice. You can also get the back teeth, which is nice. And just take it easy, take it slow. Oh yeah, this is a great toothbrush. This is great. You like it? Oh yeah, what do you think of that? So then this toothbrush is nice because you can kind of get in between these gaps here. See where there's the gaps? So you get in between. She's like, no, I don't want to. You can get in between those teeth and rub the back side and the front side of them. What do you think? So honestly, these are great. I love that they're small. Small toothbrushes are so much easier to maneuver inside your dog's mouth. She's like, I felt that you rubbed in my gums. I did rub your gums. So if you guys are looking for some really great toothbrushes, again, these are small. They can be used on cats or dogs. My dogs are all about 45 to 50 pounds, and it works great for them. We definitely recommend these. And you get quite a few of them, which is really nice. What? I know, you're mad I didn't put toothpaste on it, but I was just trying to show them how it worked before I got you excited with the toothpaste.